So we are starting with first chapter, computer languages and number system. Computer languages. What are computer languages? Now see, computer is just a machine like the other machines. Every machine understand a language. Like even the people, if I'll talk about the people, everyone can understand a different type of language. For example, if somebody lives in Germany, they can understand the German language. If somebody lives in US or UK, they may understand some different language. And like if we are Indians, so we can understand Hindi and English both. So in the same way, there is a language of machine also. So this chapter is basically uh, what language computer can understand directly, and if a language which computer cannot understand directly, then how that language could be understood by a computer. How can we convert it into the language of computer? Like we are giving all the instructions to the computer in English language, but this is not the language of computer. So how computer used to convert from English language uh, to the language which computer can directly understand? So in this chapter, we will learn about what does computer understand, what are the different languages of computer, what is binary number system, how to convert from decimal to binary number system, and how to perform binary arithmetics like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in the language of computer. So all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. So let us start with what does computer understand. सबसे पहले हमारे को पता होना चाहिए कि कंप्यूटर को क्या समझ में आता है. We know that computer cannot do anything by its own because it's just a machine. So whatever the instructions you will give to computer will perform the task accordingly. We give instructions to the computer. Computer works with languages that help us to communicate with it. So computer is also having a mother tongue, you can say, which could be directly understood by computer. And if you are communicating with computer in any other language, then computer need a translator to convert from your language to the language of computer. Then only computer will understand whatever you are saying. And these languages are known as computer languages. In order to communicate with computer, the user needs to have a language that should be understandable by the computers. Any language that forms a mean of communication for the user with computer is termed as computer language. Now if you are communicating with computer in any language, that will be treated as computer language, which will be directly understood by the computer. It is also known as programming language, and these languages are also called as programming languages. For example, in the language of computer, because computer is just a machine, so all machines can understood only one language, that is a language of electricity. And what is the language of electricity? On and off. There are only two signals in the language of electricity, on and off. On means we are representing on with the help of 1, and 0 means off. So if you will on a button, it will be treated as 1, and if you will off a button, it will be treated as 0. So this is a language of computer which computer can directly understand because it's just an electronic device. So it can understand directly only electronic signals. It means whatever you are saying to computer, you have to convert it into electronic signals. Then only computer will be able to understand what we are saying. Okay, now let us understand it in a more proficient way. Now there are two types of computer languages. One is low level language and one is high level language. Low level language is directly understood by computer. Example is machine language, binary language, and assembly language. But you cannot directly understand these three languages: machine language, binary language, and assembly language, but computer can. And we are having, for us, we are having high level languages, that is C++, Java, .NET, VB. These are the languages using which you can give instructions to the computer, because these languages use English code words. So and even Scratch also, Scratch is also a language can uh, which can be directly understood by humans but not by computer. तो कंप्यूटर उसको कन्वर्ट करता है, स्क्रैच की लैंग्वेज को, स्क्रैच की कोडिंग को कन्वर्ट करता है लो लेवल लैंग्वेज में, एंड देन computer will be able to understand what you are saying. Now, let us consider first. Let us understand first what is binary language. Binary language is the language of computer. As I told you, computer is just a machine. So it just a machine means it can understand only two signals directly, that is on and off. That is a signal of electricity. We communicate with computer in English language, which is converted by computer itself into machine language. हम कैसे करते हैं, इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट करते हैं और कंप्यूटर उसको कन्वर्ट करता है मशीन लैंग्वेज में, ताकि कंप्यूटर को समझ में आए. This language is a combination of zeros and one. Machine language is a combination of zeros and one. इसमें बहुत सारे zero और बहुत सारे one होते हैं, जिससे आपका word बनता है, sentences बनते हैं. Zero is represented as off and one is represented as on state of current. क्योंकि ये electricity की language है, तो इसमें one जो होता है वो on होता है और zero जो होता है वो one होता है. This is also called as binary code. We understood through words, and in computer a word is formed of bytes. अब computer के अंदर क्या है, वर्ड को हम डायरेक्टली नहीं लिखते, WORD, उसको हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में, और जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, बाइट बोलते हैं. जब हम उसको बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में वर्ड को कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं, विच दैट इज नोन एज बाइट. Byte are formed of zeros and one, which is that represent bits. सबसे छोटा वर्ड जो होता है कंप्यूटर में वो होता है निबल. निबल के बाद आता है बिट. बिट के बाद आती है बाइट. A combination of zeros and one are known as eight in numbers. Like it can be, matlab it can be any number, 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0, anything. एट एट जब नंबर्स एक साथ कंबाइन होते हैं तो दिस इज नोन एज बिट्स. 8 bits result in the formation of byte, and four bits. And let us understand कि ये bit nibble और इसका क्या क्या साइज होता है. ओके, सो 4 bits, जब 4 times 0 1 0 1 कंबाइन होता है तो इट फॉर्म्स वन निबल, विच इज द शॉर्टेस्ट वर्ड फॉर कंप्यूटर. ठीक है, 4 bits equals to one nibble. And now if I'll write 8 times 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1, whatever is the word, so it becomes one byte. 8 bits forms a byte. ठीक है, then 1 MB is 1024 bytes, then 1 GB is 1024 into 1024 bytes, or you can say 1024 raised to power 2 bytes. Then 1 TB is 1024 into 1024 into 1024 बाइट्स. बाइट्स ये सब कुछ बाइट्स में लिखा है, बट हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 GB इज 1024 मेगाबाइट, 1 TB इज 1024 गीगाबाइट. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone now what is bit, byte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte. Using the bits and bytes in different combination to represent a code is known as programming in machine language. अगर आप इन सारे bits and bytes को use करके 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 की language में if you are writing something, then it will be treated as machine language, or it will be treated as binary language, which could be directly understood by computer. So if you have to give a direct instruction to the computer, it means you have to give instruction in the form of zeros and one. What is a disadvantage of using this language? First is it is machine dependent, that it differs from computer to computer. Agar if I am writing, if I am giving something, writing something in this computer, so it may, the code may get differ in other computer. It is difficult to program and write that. Definitely, because for me it is not easy to understand why I am writing so many zeros and so many ones, and what should come first, one should come first or zero should come first. So it is difficult to give instruction in the language of zeros and one. इट इज प्रोन टू एरर्स. अगर एक भी जीरो इधर उधर हो गई तो आपका जो नंबर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा, आपका जो मैसेज है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. सो देर आर मैनी चांसेस ऑफ एरर्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज. नाउ अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंसेप्ट ऑफ जीरो, कि हम इसको कैसे यूज करते हैं, कब यूज करते हैं, कहाँ यूज करते हैं, दिस वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. नाउ